What's going on, guys? Gabe here with the video again. Let's go ahead and talk about what happened this morning because it was a suicide jump. Why? Well, currently we have the Nasdaq. Let's look at the broader markets. By the way, happy Black Friday, right? Everything's on discount. Your mother's brother-in-law's wife is on discount. Might want to buy her too. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the markets here because it's bloody. Black Friday? No, it's Red Friday. Now we have the Nasdaq, which is the master button to all things tech. And I love to invest in tech. Lucid, Nvidia, AMD, those guys, they're the future. Remember that. We go ahead and we look at the Nasdaq here and we could see where that dip happened. Now, we broke below this trend here. I expect a recovery, currently down 1.79%. This brings us back to Wednesday. I sort of kind of feel like this is Groundhog Day. We go to the minute chart and timber! Look at that free fall. Nobody had a parachute. He said, this is gonna hurt. We all woke up this morning scratching our heads like saying, damn, I'm not that drunk. What happened? I didn't drink that much eggnog. So let's talk about why the market's so emotional. I mean, besides you guys nearly killing each other for a 65-inch flat screen TV with a Siemens. You really gonna buy a Siemens 4K TV just because it's on sale for $179? It's got one HDMI port and no remote control. You want to spend the rest of your life walking up to the TV, changing the channel, getting that close to the pixels? Like, rest in peace, cornea. But let's look at you emotional bastards. We got COVID variant, then the Dow Jones plummets 900 points. I mean, God, this was market wide. South Africa has a new variant. We had the Delta variant, which took everyone by storm, or at least here in the United States over the summer. This is something, guys, that we're just going to have to learn to live with. I believe in humanity. After all, I mean, if Nvidia can make graphics cards that push nearly 240 frames per second and artificial intelligence to, the year 2355, then we have to believe that humanity can fix this. And I'm for Team Humanity. So, in time, guys. In time. But the market is especially just dramatic and overly emotional. And I think that's why you guys come to this fucking channel, because I give you a little bit of that energy back. So let's talk about Prog. I need to talk about Prog because everyone's like, Gabe, are you still in Prog? Well, yeah, I am still in Prog. Let's look at what she's doing, respecting the 50-period moving average, which is what I'd like to see on a trend up. Now, we are in the minute chart. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hours so we get a better idea of what she's doing. You guys missed it. When I called Prog way back when, we saw this trend here, and it had to break through this wedge, which it did. And then now it's falling back and finding itself right here. We could go ahead and create another wedge right there, guys. So we see another break to the upside here. Again, respecting this lower trend line for support. But yeah, I think Prog is on its way to the moon. Short squeeze play or not. In fact, if you guys just need that confirmation bias, I'm here to give it to you like a crack dealer. Should you buy Prog? Well, according to Stock Invest, and again, guys, take this with a grain of salt, there is a very high probability that Prog is trading within the $18 to $26 range within the next 3 months. A 90% probability. Yeah, I'm not a gambler, but I'll take those chances. No, Applejack's, would you?
I'd definitely take those chances.
Yeah. I mean, Prog trading at $3.70. That's a bargain. Now, let's go ahead and look at my favorite stock. Let's talk about Nvidia. We have speculation and price targets within the next 12 months that Nvidia will hit $400 or more per share. Guys, I'm all over Nvidia like she's the new hooker on the block. But let's look at the Fibonacci retracement here, because we see Nvidia made a run to the upside, a high of $346.36. And this is absolutely what we want to see. Not the run up. Of course, the run up is obvious, guys, but what we wanted to see was this pullback. And we saw this pullback to the 61.8% area, which is the golden ratio. And this area acted as support and resistance. We broke through. Now we're looking at $316 $2 in the 50-cent area, acting as support. We could see with the last candle, we did break through. Currently trading at 317.46. We need to go ahead and break through to the upside. But what we see with this wedge here, we could go ahead and let me just show you guys this with a little more clarity here. What I want to see is Nvidia break to the upside here. Now, there's a couple of things that we need to note, and this is a show of strength on the 4-hour. We are below 50. We want to see RSI above 50. We also want to see a conclusion of the bearish cycle here. And we want the MACD line to cross over the signal line and continue bullish momentum. And you'll know when we have the crossover and we get some green histogram bars. But I see this happening over the next 12 hours leading into the Monday trading day. And I feel like Nvidia needs to go ahead and recover some momentum all the way up to the 338 price area. From there, I'm absolutely bullish. My calls will be printing. Your calls should be printing as well. Now, let's talk about Lucid. You know, ironically, my car is still in the shop. 26 whole days in the shop. Applejack's today is the 26th, correct?
Today is the 26th.
Okay, yeah, we'll see what they tell me. It goes without saying I've been shorting Tesla. All right, guys, and you guys know I'm absolutely bullish on Lucid. I do have 55 calls on Lucid, and the stock market is just feeling Black Friday. You know what? Today shouldn't even count. You shouldn't even look at your phone today. There's just really no point in looking at your phone or trading anything. But this video is to calm you guys down. Go ahead and do your shopping. Today is not a day you profit. Today is the day where you get deals and steals. And then come Monday, you would have made enough money to pay back your credit card bill from all the shopping that you did today. Be smart. Anyways, guys, this is Gabe with Seodorks. I'm signing out. Peace.